Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma. Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's session, we are going to discuss Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate Examination Code is 1001072, question and answer 2021. And in today's session, we will discuss Chapter 4 Computer Instance Accessment, means Chapter 4 question and answer. Let's start the session. First question is list the compute instance type available for provisioning on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Here, option A virtual machines, option B para-virtualized machine, option C bare metal machines, and option D OVM, KVM, and hypervisor, Hyper-V. Correct answer is option A virtual machine and option C bare metal machines. Virtual machines and bare metal machines are the only available compute instance types for provisioning on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Next question. Which of the following compute images may be used to create a compute instance? Option A Oracle and platform images. Option B boot volumes and partner images. Option C para-virtualized machine. And option D OBA format images. Correct answers are option A Oracle and platform images and option B also boot volumes and partner images. Okay, Oracle and platform images, boot volumes and partner images may be used to create a compute instance. Next question. A boot volume has been detached from an instance in AD1. Availability domain 1. Which of the following statements are true regarding? Here, true statements regarding boot volume are option B. A compute instance cannot be created in AD2 using the boot volume in AD1 is true, and the boot volume can be backed up in A1 and restored in AD2 availability domain 2 and used to create a compute instance in AD2 are correct, because a boot volume used as the image source for a compute instance must be available in the same availability domain chosen to host the compute instance, as well as a boot volume may be backed up and restored in a different availability domain. Okay, in this way option B and option C, they both are true regarding boot volume. Next question. A computer instance is not starting up. You suspect a problem with the boot volume. Which of the following option may be used to troubleshoot this further? So to troubleshoot this problem, we use option B and option D. Why? Because option B, a console connection may be created to see if there is more information available on the console is correct, and option D, the boot volume may be detached and attached to another working instance as a regular volume to access log files and examine configuration is true, because using a console connection to see if more information is available on the instance console is usually helpful, as is detaching the boot volume from the problematic instance and attaching it to a working instance as a regular volume to access log files and examine configurations. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? Here, in these statements, true statement is option D. Instance in an instance pool are provisioned in the same region, means same availability domain. Okay, instances and instance pools are provisioned in the same region. Next question. Instance metadata on Oracle provided Linux images are retrieved via querying with a special IP address while connected to an instance. Here, correct answer is option A. Instance metadata on Oracle provided Linux images are retrieved by querying http :/169.254.169.254 /opc /p1 /instance then /. Okay, so just learn it. Next question. Autoscaling requires which of the following resources in order to work? Choose all dependent resources. So here all dependent resources are instance pool, instance configuration, and auto scaling policy. Auto scaling requires instance pool, instance configuration, and auto scaling policy. Okay, option B, C, D are correct. Next question, which of the following statements is true? So here statements is regarding auto scaling is enabled or not. So my dear, here true statements regarding auto scaling is option B. When auto scaling is enabled, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure provisions as many compute instances as required but limited by the auto scaling policy. Okay, this is very important question and kindly focus on it. Next question, which instance management action commands are supported by the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure command line interface, that is command colon OCI compute instance action double dash instance dash ID OCID1 dot instance dot OC1 dot access double dash action, then action. Here this command is related to action commands, and action commands relate to power management for the instance, and it includes start, stop, reset, soft reset, and soft stop. So in this way here correct answer is option C, stop and soft reset. Okay, next question, which hypervisors are supported by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure on bare metal instances? Correct answers are option A, kernel based VM, kernel based virtual machines KVM, and Oracle Virtual Machine OVM, and hypervisor Hyper-V. Okay. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure provides support for installing several hypervisors on bare metal instances, including kernel-based virtual machine, Oracle Virtual Machine, and hypervisors. Okay. Okay guys, now let's wind up the session. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye bye.